Hello YouTube, how's everybody? This is Bob, and today, nice day outside, I'm going to make some Chinese food. Well, Chinese American food. Actually, Mapo Tofu, but with an American twist, or Wild West twist. So the ingredients you need are tofu, firm tofu. I've cut into cubes. Need some green onion, some half of a red bell pepper or orange red bell pepper, and some garlic, and soy sauce, and some hot water, and finally this wholemeal chili. This is no Chinese food. This will add the American flavor. So let's get to it. And also optional, I'm going to use some Sichuan peppercorn, grind up Sichuan peppercorn. If you don't have this, you can use black pepper. First, in a hot skillet, add some oil. That should be enough. Let it heat up. Next thing, add the garlic and the bell pepper. Stir fry it. Next thing I add is the wholemeal chili, no beans, wholemeal chili. 1 can. Wow, smells good. And the tofu, you don't want to break up the tofu, so don't stir it too hard. Add a little bit of water and a little bit of soy sauce.
Go.
Okay, all you do is just heat it up, that's all. And then finally add some green onion for color. And then now you can put it in the plate. And finally, the Sichuan peppercorn, grind up. So this is what it looks like. At least a facsimile of Mapo tofu with a Wild West flavor. Let's try it. Delicious. Tastes sort of like Mapo tofu, but with American twist. Good chili flavor. Tastes good anyway. And amalgamation of East and West. This is what do you call it? Cowpoke Mapo tofu?
No, cowpoke tofu.
Cowpoke tofu. Cowpoke.
Are you sure cowboy is not a derogatory term?
No, I don't, no, it just means cowboy. Cowboy Mapo tofu is very good. Needs a little bit more Eastern flavor though. My daughter says it tastes like tofu in chili. But it's good. Thank you for watching.